terminals.
Go ahead, Mr. Saturday.
This is how we fill battery terminals.
This is how we fill battery terminals. This thing has shocked me. I see like you get from there the fire. How do you do that thing? I see here there is connection.
It's got from the battery, then we fill the terminals.
How do we call that thing? This the one you're using.
The one I'm using is the carbon rod.
Carbon rod. It's an advanced technology. So this is all what we do here at Mr. Saturday Battery Charging.com. We repair, we do battery repairing, we do battery charging. I think you see batteries here connected. Yeah, this is the work we do here. If you have your battery there that needs repairing, just bring it in at a low cost. Our location is Pogere Road here, get us. Klembe Quarters. We work like a team here. So let us listen the last word from the CEO Saturdays batteries.com.
Customers, you are welcome.
Yeah.
We work 24 hours a day.
Yeah.
Even on Christmas days, we are here.
We are here for you.
We are prepared to serve you in this festive season of Christmas.
And give us your last word for this year, 2023.
2023.
How has been 2023 to Saturday Batteries.com?
Yeah, we have worked upon very many batteries.
Yeah, so that's a blessing.
And we hope to do better for our customers.
Inshallah. So everyone out there, here we work with people.
Yes.
We cooperate with people.
We wish you a festive period.
2023 closing together with Arrows Records. For us, we are always in hustle. We can't find money. We are always working. Peace and love.